Hello students, I'm Sir Bikash and you are watching Online Bikash. So today in this video we will learn how to find the area of triangle, and most importantly we will try to understand how to find the area of an equilateral triangle. It is not known to many students. So without wasting time, let us start the video. But before we begin, I just want to ask you that you just watch the video till the end. And if you feel that video is useful, please hit the like button and also the subscribe if you have not subscribed it yet. So first of all, let us see how to find the area of triangle. Now you see, this is an area, a triangle. This is called base. This is what? Base. And from the vertex, if you draw a perpendicular, on its base, opposite base, then it is the height or altitude, right? So it is the height of the triangle. Now the formula is what? The area of triangle is half into base into height. So this is a very simple formula, and perhaps you know the area of parallelogram was base into height, right? The area of parallelogram was base into height, and it is half into base into height. It means the area of triangle is the half of the area of parallelogram, right? Now you may have different type of triangles. It is one most simple kind of triangle, and one triangle may be like this. This is also the simplest, right? It will be the height, it will be the base, right? In case of right triangle, it will be the base, it will be the height. Note that it was called hypotenuse, but it is height. Both can be indicated by h. Now one more thing, suppose our triangle is look like this one, then the height will be what? If it's the base, then height will be this one. The height is outside of the triangle, right? This will be the height. This is the perpendicular, right? So height can be present outside the triangle also. Okay, so if you have understood this, then shall I move to the area of an equilateral triangle? Now let us find the area of an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means the triangle in which all the sides are same, right? All the sides are of equal measurement. Now say this is our equilateral triangle, all right? Suppose all the sides are of measurement a, right? All the sides are of measurement a unit. Now as we know, to find out the area of a triangle we must know the height, all right? The height of the triangle we must know. Now I am drawing the height of the triangle, that means the altitude, that is a perpendicular on its base from its vertex. Now you can see, in case of an equilateral triangle, the altitude divides the base into two equal parts. That means it is the midpoint of the base. It is the midpoint. So if it is the midpoint, let me put the name. It is a midpoint P, right? So since it is the midpoint, in case of an equilateral triangle, the height or the altitude divides the base into two equal parts. Okay, so since it was a, then it will become definitely a by 2. It will also become definitely a by 2. Now we know this side, that is a, and this a by 2, and also we know that it is an equilateral triangle, perpendicular, that means right triangle, APB or ABP news. Okay, now AP is the height, AB is the hypotenuse, and BP is the base in this small triangle. Okay, now you just try to find out the AP by using the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, in triangle ABP, if we apply the Pythagoras theorem, okay, Pythagoras theorem, do you know? Pythagoras theorem says the hypotenuse square, that is AB square, is equal to the sum of the base square plus AP square. All right. Now we need the AP. Okay. AP square equal to AB square minus BC square. Right. AB square. It was AB was A. The value of AB was A. So A square. BC was A by 2. A by 2 square. Not BC, I guess. Not BC. It was not BC. BP. Right. BP. Sorry for that. So BP was A by 2. So A square minus A square by 4. 4A square minus A square. 4A square minus A square means 3A square by 4. Now it was AP square only. Right? We need AP. So AP will be what? We need to take the square root. If you take the square root, then it will be root 3. It will be A. It will be 2. So the formula is what? This is the formula, root over 3 by 2 A. A means what? Side. So root over 3 by 2 into side. You cannot see this. Wait. Okay. Root over 3 by 2 into side. So area was root over 3 by 2 into side. Not the, AP. That means the height of the equilateral triangle is root over 3 by 2 into side. Correct. We know that to find out the area of triangle we must need the height, and now we have got the height, but it is not the area. We need to find the area again. Now where I will do, okay, therefore area of triangle ABC, the formula is what? Half into base into height. Here it is the base and the base BC, so half into BC, and the height is AP. Okay, the BC, that means this side is what? A. And AP, this AP, height of the AP is, now just few seconds ago we have found AP is root over 3 by 2 into side. That means root over 3 by 2 into A. Actually root over 3 by 2 into A, that will be perfect. Root over 3 by 2 into A. So root over 3 by 2 into A. So this is the AP. Now you can see if we multiply all, then it will become root over 3 A square, and in the down denominator 4. So the formula becomes root over 3 by 4 into side square, because A was side only. So the area of an equilateral triangle is this one, root over 3 by 4 into side square. Okay, it is very important. Also, to find out how we have obtained this one is also very important. Okay, so I hope it is clear, and this formula will be used in the various type of questions. Now I want to discuss some simple questions. Okay, the first question is here. Find the altitude of a triangle whose area is 45 square centimeter and base 15 centimeter. Right, it is a most simple question. The altitude of the triangle we need to find, and area is given. Okay, also the base is given. Let me draw the figure. Suppose this is the figure. Without drawing we can find it out, but still I'm showing you. The height is this one and the base is this one. Okay, the base is given as 15 centimeter and the whole area is 45. Okay, and we need to find out this one h. Okay, What was the formula? What was the formula? Area of triangle. The formula was half into base into height. It is not an equilateral triangle. It is not mentioned in the question that it's an equilateral triangle. Okay, so the simple formula, the basic formula, area of triangle was half into base into height. Now area of triangle is already given, that is 45, and base is also given, that is 15. So height we do not know. Now if we solve this one, then this 2 will be multiplied here and 15 will be in the denominator, right? 15 3s are 45, 15 3s are, so 3 2s are 6. That means the height or the altitude, both are same, huh? Is equal to 6 centimeter. So this is the solution of this question. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now next question. A field in the form of a parallelogram has one of its diagonals 42 meter long, and the perpendicular distance of this diagonal from either of the outlying vertices is 10 meter 8 decimeter. 10 meter 8 decimeter, it means, okay, 10 meter 8 decimeter. Find the area of the field. Okay, this is the question, right? Now let me draw the figure first. Okay, we have a parallelogram, right? This is the parallelogram, and the diagonal is given as 42 meter. Okay, suppose this parallelogram is named as ABCD, and AC is the diagonal, and this diagonal is 42 meter long, right? And also it is given that the perpendicular distance of this diagonal from either of the outlying vertices, that means from D and B, perpendicular distance of this diagonal from the either of the outlying vertices is 10 meter 8 decimeter. That means this is 10 meter 8 decimeter, and this is also 10 meter 8 decimeter. 10 meter 8 decimeter. It is very, illegible to read. No problem, just understand that it is 10 meter 8 decimeter. Okay, now we will solve it. Now see, first let me convert the unit of the 10 meter 8 decimeter into a single unit. Okay, now what is given here? AC is given as 42 meter. Okay, it will be better if we convert them all into meter. And BE and DF, BE is equal DF is equal 10 meter 8 decimeter. Okay, 10 meter plus 8 decimeter. 8 decimeter means what? If you know this one, millimeter, centimeter, decimeter, after that meter comes. That means something is given in decimeter and we need to change it into meter. That means we need to divide it by 10. What is given? If we divide it by 10, then we will get the meter. Okay, then 8 by divided by 10 meter. So it will become what? 0.8, right? 10 meter plus 0.8 meter. That means 10.8 meter. Okay, 10.8 meter. Now, so we have got this one. Now you see in the figure, you can see this is a triangle. Yes or no? This is a triangle. And also ABC, this is also a triangle. So ADC is a triangle, ABC is a triangle, and we need to find out the area of this parallelogram. We cannot find out the area of this parallelogram by just using the simple formula which was already discussed in a previous part of this video, okay, where we found that the area of triangle is base into height. But here not the height is given, height is not given of the parallelogram. We have only we do only know the height of this triangle and this individual triangle. Okay, that is the triangle ADC and ABC. So we will find out the area of both the triangles, and after that we will add up, okay, to get the area of whole parallelogram. Okay, so find out the area of triangle, ADC. Okay, area of triangle ADC will be what? Half into base into height. Alright, here base is what? You can see this is the ADC triangle, and AC is the base. If I am not wrong, AC is the base. So AC will be base. So base is given as 42, and height is this one, DF. So height already we have found that this is 10.8 meter. Okay, if we calculate this one, then let me calculate it. 2, if we divide it, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 5.4 into 42, 5.4 into 42, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 5 2s are 10, carry 1, 5 is 20, 21, 226.8, 226.8 square meter. Okay, area of triangle ABC will be half into base into height. Base is given, this is, you see, if ABC, if we take the ABC as the triangle, then AC will be its base. If it is AC is base, then 42, and the height was also 10.8. Oh, it means the same. And if we calculate it, this one, and same thing, so 226.8 square meter. So therefore area of the parallelogram 226.8 plus 226.8 square meter, which is equal to, if we add this one, 8 plus 8 16, 6 carry 1, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 1 13, 3 carry 1, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 2 plus 2 4, 453.6 square meter. So this is the solution of this question. I hope it is clear. So I was thinking to solve one more question in front of you, so that the things become more easy to understand. The next question, you see, find the area of the equilateral triangle whose one side is 7 centimeter. The equilateral triangle is given, and the one side, okay, one side is 7 centimeter. That means all the sides are 7 centimeter, since it is equilateral triangle. And we know the formula. What is the area of an equilateral triangle? So area of an equilateral triangle was root over 3 by 4 a square. Recently we have discussed. So therefore area root over 3 by 4 into side square. Root over 3 by 4, side is already given 7 square. Yes or no? So root over 3 by 4 into 49. अब इसको कैसे संभालेंगे हम, कोई बात नहीं, root 49, okay, 49 root 3 by 4. Now you can do one thing, you can divide this one, 49 by 4, 4 12s are 48, 4 12s are 48, 1 will be carried, so it will become 10. So 4 2s are 8, 20, 4 5s are 20, right? 12.25. That means the answer is 12.25 square root of 3 cm square, right? Since we do not know the value for root over 1, root over 3, root over 3, the value of root over 3 is 1.73 almost, but no need to calculate. Okay, already it is calculative because you have divided 49 by 4, and it is not given in the question. The value of root over 3 is this one. Okay, so we can leave it here. Okay, no need to find hold the solution. But if in the question, if it was given that the value of root over 3 is 1.73, in the question within bracket it will be given. Okay, but here it is not given, so no need to find the final answer, just you can leave it here. Okay, so I hope the things are clear now. There are a lot of questions in the exercise, so you try to perform them, and if you have any doubt, then you can text me in my WhatsApp. So in the upcoming part we will discuss those questions like the previous one. Okay, thanks for watching. God bless you all.